Usage of virtual meetings has increased many folds during the recent time due to pandemics. Social distancing is the need of time. So, what are the communications means for organizations that choose to work from home? Virtual meetings hold as an option for this. Employee retainment can be best handled by using effective virtual meeting software. There are many factors which influence virtual meeting. The best ones keep the audience engaged, while any ineffective ones tend the audience to leave the meetings. Going further into the details, here are stated few of them. Virtual meeting tips. Platform. Based on your business requirements, choose the platform that best suits you. Some may have limited features, while others may include more features fulfilling additional requirements. Skype, Microsoft Teams, CodeTantra, Google Meet, Cisco WebEx, Zoom are some of the platforms that enable virtual meetings. Addressing technical issues. There is every chance that the communication might encounter interruptions due to specific technical issues. Employing the right candidate or giving prior information to the concerned person helps handle the issue on time without interrupting the workflow. Proper plan. The team who will be a part of the virtual meeting must be mentally prepared for the meeting so that audio and video settings are arranged beforehand. Also, the employees have to be trained to handle issues during the meeting so that the purpose of organizing virtual meetings is fulfilled. Also, keeping in view of the meeting time limitations, it is necessary to organize accordingly. Communication. Imagine a team participating in a physical meeting. The speaker's body language and facial expressions create a more significant impact compared to the virtual meetings. Likewise, enabling video option while speaking proved to be effective. Moreover, the meeting participants should express their opinions and ideas when asked so that the meeting turns to be more lively. Best virtual meeting software features. When it comes to choosing the best virtual meeting software for your businesses, there are certain technicalities to consider. Here are their details. Share screens. The software must enable sharing screens so that the communication turns more lively. Any issue can be clearly explained or demonstrated to the team using this option. Otherwise, just an oral speech leaves the audience confused without providing the solution. So, it is suggested to consider this feature before opting for virtual meeting software. Access another desktop. How is it that you get solutions to specific problems when you are remotely located? The software enabling an option to access any desktop acts as an advantage to address others' concerns. The one that seemed tough and hindered the workflow turned to be easy. Share files. One significant factor that enables smooth workflow is through sharing files. One's work can be enhanced through sharing files. Also, allowing vast space for sharing files during meetings helps resolve considerable issues once at a time. Conduct webinars. The system must support live webinars and enable answering live queries, chatting, and should promote effective communication even if a large audience participates. Coordinating the participants remains a challenge while communicating. This is, of course, not difficult by adopting a proper procedure. Either calling out by name or noticing the hand-raised user and giving them a chance to speak one by one helps promote user participation. Conclusion. We now know the essentials to carry out smooth virtual communication. With them in view, OnPassive has come up with OConnect to help meet virtual communication. HD audio feature. It gives the user the best experience. Also, the tool supports speech-to-text feature, making the communication more realistic. Added to this, multilingual features and dual screen sharing also serve as an advantage. With such various features, the tool serves the virtual communication requirements and gives the best user experience. A Bill Must production.